Good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss Unit 7 of Electrical Conductivity of Liquids of 8th class. Within this session, we are going to discuss about one property. That property is called as electroplating. What is meant by electroplating? Electroplating is a process in which we can get coated one metal with another metal. One metal is coated with another metal. That particular process or phenomena is called as electroplating. Therefore, we understood clearly that there are two metals. One metal is called as inferior metal. Other one is called as superior metal. What is meant by inferior metal? The metal which can get affected by humidity as well as carbon dioxide. That metal is called as inferior metal. And next one is what? Superior metal. What is called as superior metal? The metal which cannot be get affected by humidity or oxygen. They are called as inferior metals. Examples, superior metals. Examples, iron we can give for inferior metal, as well as steel also we can consider as nothing but what? Inferior metals. Whereas superior metals we can take chromium, other one is what? Copper, another one is what? Nickel. We can consider these metals are nothing but what? Superior metals which cannot be affected by humidity as well as oxygen. They can be affected by humidity as well as carbon dioxide. This is the thing we can use. The best examples, few examples. A newly purchased article which is made up of metal. We'll observe that the utensil or that vessel will be shining nicely. That shine is happening because of coating of superior material on the surface of metal. As we are using that particular article continuously for a long period of time, we'll observe that the shining which is existing on the utensil will be gradually reduces. It can be get gone off. Safety pins. The pins what we purchase in shopping bazaar. Safety pins. If we use that, but if you see that a newly purchased safety pin, on the surface of the particular pin, there will be shiny in nature due to coating of a material on the surface of it. As we are using continuously for a certain period of time, we can observe that the coat which is existing on that particular safety pin can be diminishes. As it is diminishes, the pin appear will be dull compared to that of first one. That particular process means what? Coating of one material on another material, another metal, by using another metal as we are coating, we'll call that one as electroplating. Next one is what? Requirements for electroplating. What is the nature does a material require electroplating? First point is nothing but what? The article or the metal, what else we are coating, it should not be greasy in nature. Greasy nature should not be exist. If it is existing of greasy nature, as we are coating on the surface, the material cannot be get stick up to that particular inferior metal. Inferior metal should be free from greasy in nature. First point is that one. Second point, that inferior metal surface must be rough, it must be there itself. It must be very rough, so that metal can be get deposited on the surface of that particular inferior metal will be much more easily done. Therefore, rough surface has to be get exist. That is second requirement. Third requirement, that is nothing but what? Concentration of electrolytic substance. Concentration. The concentration of chemical substances within that particular solution through which electroplating has to be get done, it must be adjusted. Means the concentration of electrolyte has to maintain very high. If it is maintained high, then only what happened, that particular superior material can be get deposited on the surface of inferior metal. Superior metal can be easily deposited on the surface of inferior metal. That is the next point what we have to keep in our mind. Fourth point is nothing but what? The flow of current. The flow of current must remain same throughout the process. If I ampere of current is flowing through a circuit, the same amount of current has to be get flow throughout that particular circuit, then only what happened there, the process of electroplating can be done much more better. If not, the process of electroplating cannot be done much more perfectly, as current flow, within the flow of current, if there is a fluctuation. These are the four requirements required for one process. That process is called as electroplating process. Next one is what? Uses of electroplating. There are so many uses, but we can go with what? 5 to 6 uses are existing. Let me go with this particular electroplating uses. First one is what? Aesthetic uses. As we can see that nowadays the people are much more fond of wearing ornaments. As they had a nature called as well aesthetic in nature chip, they are much more attracted by the ornaments wearing regularly. If you go for different types of ornaments, among all those ornaments, we know that gold is very precious. And the cost of gold nowadays, if you observe, it is gradually enhancing, increasing. So, the usage of gold will be gradually decreases as it is enhancing continuously. Purchase for 1 tulah, it is nearly 60,000. Instead of purchasing 1 tulah gold, what they are doing is they are making one gold. What is that gold? We can call it a rolled gold metal. We can call it a rolled gold means what? Coating inferior metal with what? Superior metal. So they will purchase silver ornaments. On the surface of silver ornaments, nowadays 1 gram gold is coming it up. So that what they are doing with gold coating will be superior metal called as gold. The coating of this one will be falling on the surface of silver metal, so that it appears same as like a gold article. So that due to aesthetic nature existing among the people, the wearing of various types of articles can be done, but among that gold is very costly. So that they had a sense called as aesthetic sense. wearing of ornaments will be taken place. Instead of wearing pure gold, ornamental gold or rolled gold articles they can be get wear. That is the process of aesthetic nature, as they are coating with one process called as electroplating process. This particular phenomena can be happen. Next one is about commercial appliances. For commercial appliances, usage of automobiles, or if you go for spare parts of automobile parts, all different types of automobile parts. If you go it as well as utensils, what else they are using in our household appliances. As the usage of these particular things are used for commercial purpose, same as automobile parts as well as all the articles of a particular automobile parts of the particular one will be coated with what? Chromium metal, with a layer of coated with chromium metal can be done, so that what happens, it attains smooth nature as well as appearance also will be much more bright, so that they can purchase articles. A new car, if you go to showroom, a new car, how it will be appear? It will be much more shiny. But the usage car, after 1 or 2 months, or else 1 year back, after purchasing the car for 1 year back, the shining which is existing on the surface of the car will be gradually reduced. For commercial appliances, what they are doing, coating and making the article much more smooth in texture as well as appearing also much more attractive in nature, so that they can purchase that particular process. Commercial appliances purpose, electroplating is playing a vital role. Next one is what? Prevention of corrosion. What is called as corrosion? Prevention of corrosion means what here? A thin layer is coated on, inferior metal will be there as well as superior metal will be there. On the surface of inferior metal, what happens, the superior material can be coated on the surface, so that to some extent it can be get prevention for corrosing in nature. Metal cannot be get depilated, it can be get existing within that one. That is, for the prevention of corrosive nature, electroplating is playing a vital role. That is one more usage. Next usage is what? Conduction of electricity. Means electrolytic process. If I take a beaker, within that particular beaker I have taken one plate, copper plate and zinc plate, connected to a battery consisting of tap key, so that copper deposits can be taken place on the surface of zinc. This is nothing but what? As we are switching on the key, electrolytic substances allows current to be get passed, so that what happens, conduction of electricity can be done much more, so that what happens, the passage of current through that particular electrolytic substance can be done much more fastly, based upon phenomena called as electroplating. Next one is what? Reduces friction. Why? A smooth structure, smooth texture as well as appearance can be get existing. So that what happens, that material which is electroplated will reduces friction also there. That is one more use you can give it. Last but not least, that is nothing but what? Which protects from radiation as well as absorption there. This electroplating process, as we have done for the automobile parts or ornamental material or utensils, what happens there? They can protect from the radiation as well as absorption. This particular process, absorption, this can be done by means of one process. That process is called as electroplating. So this is about electroplating. What is meant by electroplating? How a metal can be get coated to be get coated, what type of metal must be it is? It must be inferior metal as well as another material must be superior metal. And requirements of electroplating, usage of electroplating, we have completed, children. By this particular thing we have completed our class. In next class, how we can prepare by using electroplating, how we can coat one metal on another metal based upon electroplating. We can discuss about that particular one. Till that time, watch this video number of times and try to analyze concept. Thank you, children.